Juaristi sells in almost all countries in the world through a wide network of its own branches and distributors, with 85% of turnover going for export. The presence in most important international exhibitions is used to introduce the new products and close the ties with agents and customers. Research that gets results in the development of new machines, together with collaboration from our customers, means that market share has increased sharply, consolidated by a wide range of high-precision boring and milling centers. Experience and being aware of market trends, backed up by a flexible organization, have resulted in the development of 4 new series with 3 guide systems, all fully automatic. The assembly shop is distributed into 3 different sections. One for head and ram modules, another for assembling T-type planar machines, and finally, a very high floor space needed to assemble the M-type machines. Juaristi manufactures the most important machine parts in its own machining section. This is done with the large size bridge type milling machine, another bridge type grinding machine, in addition to high precision cylindrical grinders. Quality is an inbuilt concept throughout the manufacturing process, and all stages of machining and assembly are checked using very precise systems. An electronic collimator is used to mount the bed and column head assembly. When the full assembly and start-up has been completed, the final tests are carried out. Precise checking of the positioning by laser, geometric check, checking their interpolation with ball bar, NAS and power machining tests. The TS series, planar type boring and milling centers, are highly robust machines, suitable for machining all types of pieces, for either roughing or for high precision finishing. TS3 and TS5 models are centers with table movements up to 6,000 millimeters and vertical movement up to 3,700. The guides are large and prismatic, combined with roller packs and an anti-friction material capable of absorbing strong vibrations. This machine is ideal for machining components with large, high-precision bores. The automatic head change means that the whole piece can be made in a single stage. Boring, milling, facing and drilling can be done on 5 faces of the piece. This automation and flexibility makes the machine multifunctional and capable of carrying out various operations that would normally need several different machines. The MX series floor-type milling centers are very fast, very rigid and high precision. Juaristi has integrated the innovative concept of a central head into these machines, up to 4,500 millimeters vertical movement. The balance for the head ram of the column withstands much better the cutting forces and inertia during machining. The TX series are universal machining centres with several heads. The range includes models with horizontal and boring heads, a universal head and a 5-axis head. The pallet change system can be rotating in the loading-unloading position to help fit pieces into a 4-sided clamping fixture. The machine has an automatic change system for different milling and facing heads. For machining large pieces, Juaristi has the MP series of boring and milling centres with hydrostatic guides. The top model has a vertical movement of up to 6.5 metres, 205 boring bar diameter and 100 kilowatt power to the spindle. The total movement of the ram plus the boring bar can reach up to 2,600 millimetres. Keeping the ram straight within 10 microns over the length of the run. Bending of the ram, headstock and column is done automatically, at the same time through triple compensation systems by means of hydromechanical systems combined with electronics. This ensures perfect geometry on the machine in any machining position. Independent rotary tables with load capacity from 6 up to 125 tons can be integrated in any floor-type machine. Juaristi machines are suitable to work in many different sectors with applications such as wind power, machining of hubs, frames and gearboxes. Hydropower, Francis, Kaplan and Pelton turbines. Oil and gas, subsea, pumps, heat exchangers, turbines. Naval, engines, propellers, steering systems, winches. Railway, bogies and other structural elements. Aerospace, jet turbines and structural components. Construction and mining, excavators, earth movers and cranes.